up, YouTube? So today I got something a little bit different for you. This is going to be a bit of a freebie to give you a taste of what I'm going to be offering you in a special bonus I just created today for a product I actually reviewed a couple of days ago. So I know it's kind of confusing, but don't worry, it's all going to make sense when I tell you about the extra bonus I just created for Livio. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And why would that be? Well, it's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull them successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. My mother's cookies. She doesn't make cookies, actually. She never has. That's probably why they would be stale. Or maybe they would be fresh. Who knows? But anyway, seriously. But if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you may ask? Well, it's quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, really? Really? Every day? Do you know how irritating that guy is? Every single day, it's the same thing. Crap. You'd think he could get a new line. Bart, get some new writers. Seriously. Anyway. Yeah. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. Liz is a sweetheart, isn't she? I love Liz. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Let me explain to you why I'm making this video to begin with. As I mentioned, this is basically about a product called Livio. Now, Livio, I reviewed already. I will put a link up above this video showing where my original review is, and I've got some really great bonuses for Livio already. But I really wanted to help them out. The creative Livio helped me out a lot, so I wanted to help them out and really offer something very special. And I happen to have experience doing SEO work. I used to do it for many, many years before I got into the internet marketing world. This was my bread and butter. This was what I would make money doing. And basically what I've just done is I've sat here for the past hour putting together a premium training showing you everything I know about SEO. And there's a lot to learn, a lot of really, really valuable websites and information that I've shared with you. And just to give you a sample of the kind of stuff that I'm offering you, the kind of things that are really going to make a massive difference for you if you pick up Livio from me within the next 2 days. This is a limited time bonus. This bonus will go away. This video will be up and you'll be able to see this free training that I'm going to offer you right now. But the bonus with all the additional training is going to go away in 2 days. But anyway, so I want to show this to you. This is one of the websites I'm going to teach you about in the bigger training. This one is called Rank Watch, and this is one of my favorite websites. They basically what they do is they will actually allow you to track your website, where it ranks in Google, and really make sure that your backlinks are doing the job that they need to be doing. But they also have a couple of free resources, which I love. So for example, over here, you can see free backlink checker. Now, what does this do? Okay, so their official purpose for it is actually to let you check where you have backlinks from. Backlinks basically means links from other websites that point to you. And the reason you want those is because that's what Google uses as a signal to say, hey, this is a quality website. This is one we should be putting at the top of the rankings. All right. And the way I like to explain this is basically like when you were in high school and you wanted to be popular, you would go and kind of hang out with one of the popular kids. And the reason you would do that is because you would kind of be popular by association.
I want to be popular.
Yeah, kind of like that. Anyway, but seriously. And Google basically is going to say, well, okay, I see that these other websites are pointing to this thing. This must mean that this is also a good website. Therefore, we're going to rank it. Now, what you could do is, of course, you could use it the way it's intended to be used, which is just put in your own domain name, check what your backlinks are. I'm going to show you a little trick that very few people know about, which is really, really cool. You see, what you really want to do is to get backlinks from your competitors. Because if you get backlinks from your competitors, basically the same backlinks rather from that your competitors have, then that is going to help you rank the same as they are. So for example, I have a product called Conversion Champ, which basically what it does is it creates those little notifications that you see at the bottom of the screen where it says so-and-so just bought such and such. Or in my case, in the case of Conversion Champ, it actually does a whole lot more than that. I'll put a link up to the Conversion Champ over here as well if you want to take a look, but that's not the primary purpose of this video. The primary purpose is to tell you about this amazing bonus video that I just created, which is really, really valuable. But let's say that I wanted to find the backlink profile of my competitors. So for example, there's a website called Provely.io. Now, Provely doesn't do as much as Conversion Champ does. It's kind of like a one-trick pony. It only does the notification when somebody buys, whereas Conversion Champ does a whole bunch of other stuff. But I can take a look and see inside of here what Provely.io is doing. Okay, as soon as it loads up, I know you can't see me right now, but here I am again. There I am. So once this thing loads up, it's going to show us every link pointing to Provely.io. Why is this valuable? Well, it's actually very, very simple. You see, what I can do is now that I know that all of these other links point to Provely.io, I can go visit these websites and see if I can create my own link on these websites to point to my product. And then basically that's going to give me the same type of SEO score as Provely is going to have, which is going to make me rank well as well. So that this way I can kind of piggyback off of Provely's own SEO score. So I know that sounds kind of confusing. Basically what that means is like this. To put it into our high school terms again. All right, so let's say that I want to date the prettiest girl in school. All right, and I know I'm kind of old for this, but whatever. Anyway, just bear with me. I want to date the prettiest girl in school, and she will have nothing to do with me. She doesn't know me. She doesn't want to talk to me at all. But I want to date her. So what I might do is I might go and find out who her friends are and make friends with her friends. And then by association, she's going to start noticing me. Okay? The same kind of thing here. So I'm finding out who Provely, my competition, is getting their traffic from. And then I'm going to go and contact these websites. Now, I might not get all of them, but I can get enough of them to start building up my own profile so that I can get some natural traffic off of Google. Okay, and it's not a very difficult thing to do, and RankWatch makes it super easy to do. And in the expanded training, which if you pick up Livio, I'll put up again the link over here to Livio, okay, to my review of Livio. If you pick up the expanded training, this is just a tiny sample of what you're going to be getting, because I spent a lot of time putting this video together to really give you a massive leg up. So go ahead and grab Livio with my training. You have to pick it up within the next 2 days. So right now it is September 2nd. Okay, so this extra bonus video will close at 11:59 p.m. on September 3rd. So make sure you get in before that time in order to get the extra bonus video. And you can check out my review of Livio. You'll see more details about it. But the bottom line is I'm putting a link down below in the description to Livio. You'll also see the list of all the products that you're already getting from me. Those things will stick around, but this extra bonus video is not going to stick around, so make sure you grab it by 11:59 p.m. tomorrow, AST, tomorrow, September 3rd, because then you'll get this extra bonus training that I just created for you. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you on the internet.